How was it, my beautiful daughter?
I bless my Chi, for she has been so nice to me. What about you, Nam? How was your own day?
I am okay, good and fine. But seeing your beauty makes my day complete. So, for you to keep affording your beauty, I got you these beads from Umoji. You know they are the finest bead makers in the entire Okuano kingdom.
Yes, Father. Oh, Father, the beads are beautiful.
I know you will love them.
I love them. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Thank you, my beautiful daughter.
My new beads. Are these beads for her alone? What of mine? Ennam.
What is on your neck? What is on your head? Is it not bead? How many beads do you want to wear at a time?
But you just got her new ones.
My beautiful daughter, if you need more, I will get you more. Eh? I know you will love them. They are fine.
Thank you, Nai, but why didn't you buy some for her? Were you not here when I just asked Nai for mine?
You should have brought her back. You should have carried her back. She leaves. Is your mind still alive? You doubt me?
No, my lord. I do not doubt you, my lord. But how is it possible?
I heard you. Take me to where you said she fell. Take me to where you said she was shot. I need to bring her back to the shrine so I can heal her. She's not dead, but she's wounded. The staff indicated it. Take me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.